This is my first challenge video because I started doing mukbang and that's how I started my channel. I stopped filming mukbang because I had a trauma about that, right?
Some people know, some people don't know. But anyway, so I kind of
couldn't do mukbang. I just like, you know, when I was in my mukbang room and tried to film mukbang, I just
froze. And so I said, okay, I still want to do YouTube, so let me just do ASMR for a little bit, because ASMR is quiet and there's not much talking. I don't have to show myself and blah, blah, blah. So I did that for a while.
But it's kind of boring, I guess. My family, you know, Hangi and little Peppy says, hey mom, why don't you do a challenge, right? I'll do a challenge video. So I said, okay, I'll do a challenge video. I've never done a challenge video on YouTube. I'll do a challenge video, right?
Yeah.
My first challenge for this video, 1 vegan meal per day for a week. I don't eat anything, no snack. And when I eat, I could eat whatever I want. So I could start off with like appetizer and a meal and a dessert.
But I could only have one meal.
Wait, can you drink like smoothies throughout the day?
No. You could only drink water, tea, coffee, lemon water, sparkling water.
Juice?
No juice.
Coke?
No Coke.
Anything with calories, I will not be drinking that.
I can't do it.
So today's my first day. Kayla's actually out right now with her friends. We went bowling and I'm home with Amber and Peyton and we're about to eat something for dinner, but she was like, why don't you come out? I think they went to Spaghetti Factory, or what was it? A Cheesecake Factory. I always say
Spaghetti?
Yeah, Cheesecake Factory. So if I eat ice cream, that's one meal. I don't even know the rules. I don't even know. But anyways, I'm doing 1 meal challenge.
And no dessert.
I gotta fold laundry before I go out, so.
One hour later.
Last meal I had was last night around 9 p.m. It's 6 p.m. right now. I'm about to literally faint because I'm so hungry and they are playing bowling.
And they're not calling me.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Kayla and her friends, they went bowling, right? And we're supposed to go to Spaghetti Factory, right? Or Spaghetti Cheesecake Factory. But now they changed their mind because there's a long wait and they want to go eat pho.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm excited because this is my first meal is pho.
I'm hot and I am so hungry. I'm about to faint right now, you guys. Wait, I need to get the address. I'm losing my patience. Everything is like kind of like this chair. I feel like it's like uncomfortable.
Pho bin don, right? Or dong? Hangi.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry. I'm about to seriously faint.
I see stars.
Alright, so I'll see you soon, okay? I don't need to make any reservations. I'll see you soon, alright?
Alright.
Eternity later.
I'll just eat a little one.
I don't like the coconut. I don't like the coconut.
You don't?
No.
Why?
I like I just like the thing better.
A few moments later.
Taking a lot.
Hangi,
Well, so what you gonna
how many meals did you have today?
I had one.
doing one more
Yeah, 1 meal.
Okay.
Yeah,
How much calories do you think that was? The whole pho?
1,500.
For a bowl of pho?
Yeah.
No,
Well, I had spring roll.
I didn't have it.
I had 2 spring roll. That's huge.
Why are your hands so red? Like, look how red your hands are. Oh my God. Peppy, Peppy, look at Look at my iPhone. Doesn't it look hands like a baby?
Okay, look literally like a 2-year-old's hair. Oh my god, why do it look like that? You see it? Oh my god. Wait, let me get it. Like, oh my god, do it like this. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It looks like an infant hand. Oh my
Correct your lousy shot.
Alright, show them your real hand.
When it's all done, this thing is gonna sink all the shots.
Day 2.
Two and a half cups. I'm gonna go take a cold shower and get ready.
3 hours later.
I feel so swollen. Do you think it's all the sodium from pho?
Oh, probably, yeah.
I mean, usually, like, if I feel a little bit swollen when I work out, I sweat on my face and I feel like fine, but I still feel so swollen. Do you feel swollen?
You said I was super swollen.
Yeah,
in the
this morning. Oh my gosh, you were really swollen.
No, you know what it was? Because I could only eat one meal. So I ordered large, but when they give you large, it's not the noodle that they give you a lot, they give you a lot more broth. A lot more broth, right? Protect broth.
You were like a bra.
Yeah. So I ate all the noodles, I ate the vegetables, and then there's so much broth left, so I started drinking the broth. I think that's what the mistake was. I shouldn't have drank that broth.
But I drank like half of it thinking like, oh, I gotta fill my stomach up, but I don't feel good.
Can you imagine our friend that drank all the broth?
Oh my god, he drank
He
the
drank
whole thing.
He got a large too.
Yeah, but the thing is though, he has a lot of muscles though.
Yeah, he's super ripped.
Yeah, he's like really.
I high-fived him.
Yeah.
And then we were like bumped into each other.
Yeah.
And he was like a wall. He made me bounce.
Yeah. So usually you have
A lot of muscle and like rarely any fat in your body, even though you eat a lot of sodium, like you don't swell up as much, I feel like, right?
Okay. Well, Peyton doesn't know we're coming, right?
Surprise.
Yeah, we told Peyton she has a concert, like end of the year concert. She's in chorus, and she was like, "Mommy, are you coming?" I was like, "I'm sorry, baby. I'm really busy today. I can't come." And then she was like, and she was so sweet about it. She was like, "It's okay, Mama." And it's just like, they're gonna do a recording and they're gonna send it to you. And I was like, "All right, I'll make sure I watch it." And she was like, "Okay." And she left. And when she sees us, she's gonna be so happy. You know, it's funny thing about Peyton, right? She's kind of like tone deaf, right? But she sings so loud. Every time we sing, she doesn't know the tune, but she sings so loud. She's like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. She's like, twinkle twinkle little star. Like she's like,
You could put right there, I think, right behind this car.
Line up already. Oh my gosh, I used to get so dressed up for events like this when they were little.
Events?
Events.
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 Yeah.
Parking. Seriously, it could be all mental, but just because my brain's telling me you could only eat one meal a day, I feel hungry. I never get hungry around this time.
Really?
Right? I never never get hungry around 10 a.m. Like even if I'm having like 5 meals, I never get hungry. But right now my stomach is going, I want food, I want food.
What are you craving right now?
Right now, pancakes. Okay, so oh, look at my nails.
That just happened?
It just happened. It came off. I'm gonna be drinking ginger, fasting green tea. I got just free water from Panera.
Oh my god, that was so good.
Later.
Why can't I be born skinny? And I don't have to go on these stupid diets. I mean, I'm already vegan, and on top of that, I have to go on these extreme diets in order for me to lose weight. How crazy is that?
What do you think, Frankie?
One thing you should post.
Seriously, people lose weight when they're vegan. Like I gain weight when I'm vegan. Can you imagine if I wasn't vegan? I just ate whatever I want.
This is my lunch. Water. This is also my snack. Water. And this was also my breakfast. Water. And now we're here at Panera, and Hungy will be eating his lunch. Me, I'll be having my lunch. Water. I'm going to refill my water.
For my lunch.
A few moments later.
I got my lunch.
I gotta go on diet till I lose all this.
This will be like the last to go. I noticed also I slouch a lot. You know, I never used to slouch when I first met you even, right? And the last 2 years I feel like I've been slouching. So I got it. Where's your fork? I don't have one. I'll get your fork. That's, no, I'll good. That'd be like, I got a fork. Challenge? I think I want to do potato. Or should I do fruit? I don't know. What do you think?
I can't wait for dinner. Woo!
What's dinner?
Dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm having noodle for tonight. Actually, I'm gonna have the konjac noodle, I think, because I want to have some tofu konjac noodles. I definitely want a konjac noodles because I feel like I ate too much yesterday. Hey guys, look, I finished my lunch. I finished my lunch. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cook tofu. I got this from Costco, tofu, and some shirataki noodles. You know what these are? These are konjac noodles or konjac noodles. Konjac. I think Koreans call it konjac. I think American calls it konjac. I get konjac. I don't know. Whatever. But look at this. Okay, this is for one. Whatever it's in here is for one. But look at this, you guys. Calories 20. Do you see it? Like total fat 0. Cholesterol 0, protein 0, and carbohydrate is only 5. So basically you're eating nothing. I'm gonna make this for dinner. Spicy with spicy sauce. And I'm gonna add some tofu. I'll show you guys how I make it. But before we do all that, look, my friend got me these vegan cupcakes. I know, I was gonna eat this like after dinner, but I can't. I'm sorry, I gotta eat it before dinner. I can't. This is my first, I'm gonna break my fast, my first meal with this cupcake. And then I'm gonna be eating the noodles.
Give me a bite too.
Oh my god, nice.
I'll give you your first bite.
Oh!
Here.
Wait, where'd you get?
It's right there. Right. Can you give it to me? Right there. It's so hard. It's hard because it's been in the refrigerator. But it's still so good. So good. It's still so good. Look at it. It's like.
Oh, I like it.
You'll have this part. I'll give you half of my icing.
Take one bite.
Oh my gosh. I could literally eat the paper.
15 minutes later.
You could find them at Wegmans at the where you find cheese. Okay? And then it comes in like tofu, like in water. See? Look. They smell funny. They smell like fish a little bit.
I'm going to strain it. Okay, trash this water.
So you're going to just boil them, and you're gonna add a very little bit of vinegar. That's it. Oh my god, look how big this is.
Day 3.
I woke up late. I'm a little swollen in the morning. Amber is going to middle school today. So I don't have to pack her lunch. But I have to pack lunch for Peyton. She wants soup. So I'm gonna pack her rice with soup. Here's my cardio. Hit cardio. I did 15 minutes because we have to go out and I have no time, so I'm sweating.
My first meal of the day. Why are you laughing?
later.
Guys, it's 9:30 a.m. Me and Hungy, we're out.
He's working. I followed him to his work today. And again, we stopped by Panera for my breakfast. My first meal, remember, was water. My first meal of the day today, like actual breakfast.
Yeah. It's iced black tea. Caffeine free. No, is there caffeine?
Black tea. I put water and I added a little bit of iced coffee. So it's black tea, iced coffee, and water. That's my first meal of the day. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Yeah, fill up. Yeah.
Gas so expensive. It's $4.83 for regular. Plus it's $5.49. Oh my god. This is so sad. I'm not hungry. I'm just thirsty. We'll tell you what he does for a living soon, right? But we went into a pizza shop yesterday, right? And then the owner was like, he's like, oh, and then like Huggy was like, yeah, this is my girl, and he was like, you know, like saying this, and the owner was like, oh hi, and they're all talking. There was like an employee, whatever.
She said, I used to be in love too.
Oh yeah, she was like, yeah, but you know, I had a wife and everything, and he was like, and you know, she used to live in $1 million home, and I gave her everything, man, but she found this young guy in his 20s. Now I heard that she watches him like playing, you know, video games at night. Me and Huggy looked at each other, we started laughing. I watched Huggy play a video game all the time.
I know.
Cause he plays with Peyton. Oh my god, you like playing video game, right? I don't mind you play video game.
Yeah.
After a nice day of work, you come home and you should be able to do what you like, you know? Doesn't matter how old you are. Like, there are things that I do as a 40 years woman that, you know, 20-year-olds don't do. What?
What?
No. I'm talking about, like, I do stuff what my age women do, like going to Home Goods. I guess, I don't know about young girls, but, you know, like older women, they're like going to Home Goods, right? But there are things that I do not even a 16 or 17-year-old would do.
Okay.
Hunky knows that, right, Hunky? I do it all the time, and he's like, I can't believe you're doing that. I'm like, why? What does age have to do with anything? You do it, you like it, you do it. No?
Yes.
What are the things that you do as a 20-year-old that a 20-year-old would never do? Yeah, like taking care of 3 girls are not yours. Most 20-year-old guys won't do that. You do it like better than 40-year-olds out there. So, you know. Ooh, look at that.
Me too, I'm having my lunch too.
That has sugar, that has calories. Get out of here.
Many hours later.
Hungy is taking Peyton to a basketball game tonight because she loves playing basketball. So we ended up inviting so many of our friends, so the whole group is coming.
So we have to go buy water, Gatorade, some chips, and
We have to be there by what time, Hungy? 5. So I don't want to eat before I go. But if I eat at 4, it'd be too early. I'll get so hungry at night. So I gotta eat after, but we're not gonna be done till like probably like 7 or something. That means I have to starve again till 7.
Probably later than 7.
even 8. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna eat? What am I gonna eat tonight?
You could eat something.
No, it's 1 meal a day challenge. I'm not gonna cheat anyone. I'm not cheating myself. I'm doing this to see if I can even do it.
At 4? I'm gonna be so hungry around 10. I won't be able to go to bed. You know how once I break that fast, I go crazy like like.
I won't be able to go anywhere after.
Later that same evening.
It's going up on YouTube.
So I'm at Costco right now trying to get water and some chips for the event. I haven't ate anything so far, so I'm very hungry.
We'll start there because you made me put my hair up now.
Oh my god, look at Amber. Yeah, Kayla got her hair done. Blonde.
Really, she did? Taller than me.
And this is Kayla. This is us.
We're actually really short.
Very bad lighting, but oh my god. This looks fat.
Oh, this is mine.
Ooh,
One of these is
golden
yours. Oh, that's
avocado.
yours,
That's
yours.
mine.
This is Palin's.
What in the world? Golden avocado. Oh my gosh, my first meal in like how many hours? It's been more than 24 hours since I ate something. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. Burrito, burrito, burrito. The sauce we have. Oh my gosh. Vegan Chipotle! Yeah, I'm about to like seriously cry.
You deserve this, baby. Wait, give me a kiss before.
맛있어? 맛있어?
It's like beyond.
Yeah, try this. This is habanero. You love habanero. You like the habanero?
I can't even chew right now.
This
I just
is-
want to swallow.
This is vegan chipotle. Guava. Some kind of guava drink with basil. Are you happy?
Oh my god, chop some rice.
It's okay. Are you happy?
I am so beyond. I can't even explain
Really?
how good this is.
Salad now?
We got avocado too. The Brussels sprout is like so good. Another level.
How can food be this good?
I'm already full.
Hmm?
I'm already full. My stomach shrunk.
The best.
Honey, you tell me, did this ever happen to me before where I can't finish?
You're a professional mukbanger. You finish all your food.
I always get the salad, I always get the burrito, and I get more stuff. I probably add like drinks, nachos.
No, we get corn.
We get corn, and I eat
We
it
get
all
tacos. We get nachos, like you just said.
by two. Then I think I could eat it again.
You ate pretty good though.
Oh, it's so good. I'm so afraid because I can't eat till tomorrow. So I want to eat, but I'm so full.
This was my favorite.
I feel like I'm in a dream. Is that what they call it? Food coma?
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Have you ever felt the food coma before in your life?
What do you mean? I get food coma every time I eat.
Why?
Right?
Am I like officially like your first love?
I think when I was younger, I didn't know what love was. I just thought love was something like you just really like somebody.
Do I have to really have this? Oh, thank you.
You're still angry?
Eventually.
I'm home now. This is my third day. I have 4 more days left. But I have plans. Tomorrow I'm gonna eat ramen. I'm freaking eating ramen tomorrow.
Like Korean or Japanese?
I don't care. I don't care what I
You're
eat.
gonna waste your 1 meal on ramen?
Are you kidding me? I want to slurp noodles right now.
Why not pho?
We had pho 2 days ago. Wait, what should I have tomorrow? What am I eating tomorrow?
Udon?
Sushi, you guys.